Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And today I got a package and it's got a smell. So, and it's heavy, so we know something in here that's really awesome. So, let's open it up and see what's inside. And if it's a little dark, we got a storm coming, so gotta hurry up. It's a box! It's a box! Look at a box! Okay, let's see. Whoa. Okay. You don't need the box. I see it's like a bag. Let's open it up. Check out the bag. Okay. It's got Velcro. I will do an up close to this, whatever it is. And it's got, oh wow, this solar panels, and it's 3 solar panels. This is big. And let's see what it comes with. It's got a zipper here. And I'll show you up close. And it's got your links to link it to your book bag or whatever you're carrying, briefcase or whatever. It's got the instructions and it has a charger. If you've never been to my channel before, I do not do anything electronic or tech without reading the instructions. This is where you plug in your phone, your power bar, your tablet, and you plug it into here and you get ahead. And I suggest that you keep it in the back, maybe into this pocket before you open up your panel, because your panel is normally directed to the sun and you don't want your device to get hot. I will leave the link below in my description if you want more information about the solar panel. Likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuffing things.